Daily Cash Team. Join free or become an affiliate. This is a global, worldwide business in 119 countries right now. It pays 100% match bonus. What that means is, whoever you sign up into this program, you refer somebody. If they make $5,000 a month, you're going to get $5,000 a month just because you signed them up. That's coming from the Matrix money. Instant fast start commissions. You get paid fast start commissions on a daily basis. People can check out, cash out worldwide every day if they have commissions every day. This is a daily pay cash flow system. Because of the fast start commission, it's cash flow, everyday cash flow. Everybody wants right now money for work you do today. You can get paid daily. Get paid today. It also pays monthly residual from the matrix. It's a 2x10 matrix, one huge matrix. It's one big team build. You will not break away from your team members. Sometimes people get spillover from above them. Sometimes people can get help from people below them, signing people up because they're filling the matrix. Everybody's filling the same matrix. So it pays monthly, it pays daily. It's one big 2x10 matrix, and there are several different ways to get paid. I already mentioned the fast start commission, the 100% match bonus, also the monthly matrix residual income. This is not a binary compensation plan. It's not a binary pay plan. Whoever you sign up goes directly below you. You can only have 2 people on your first row, and everybody falls down and spills over under that. It's not a binary. We have high quality natural ingredient products, tangible products. They're shipped worldwide. The shipping is low cost. Right now there's 40 healthy products, and they're getting more soon. They're also bringing essential oils as products, and it's a product-driven company. And the company has a lot of tools, capture pages, websites, automation, automated systems. I have my own tools and training, plus the company has tools and training that you can use and you get when you sign up and become an affiliate. You can be a free member, a free customer, and save 20% off the products. Like I said, we have 40 products right now, and it's July 2nd, 2022 right now. You can cash out every day worldwide in any one of those 119 countries. If you want to learn more, I'm going to put the link to this website under the video. And you can also check out my simplecashteam.com website. It has a presentation video. So look down below this video. If you're on my website, there's going to be a button under the video. Click on that button under the video on the website. If you're on YouTube or social media, the link will be in the comments section or the description of the video on YouTube. God bless you. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is coming soon. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 352-286-8014. Join free or become an affiliate. Get paid every month. Get the matching bonus and the fast start commission. Everyday cash flow. God bless you. Thank you. Call me 352-286-8014. Thank you.